Hello students, welcome to class. This session I will discuss the concept based on the regular expression, that what the regular expression is. Okay, so before we move to the regular expression, we need to understand the concept based on regular language, that what is regular language. So what is regular language? A language which supports the at least, or you can say the basic three set operations such as union, concatenation, and clean star. If language support these operations, these set operations, then you can say that the language is regular. Now what is regular expression? Regular expression is a method to represent regular language. Okay, what does regular expression do? Regular expression represent regular language. Fine. Now how they do this? Representation involve representation involve the combination of strings, involve combination of strings strings then parenthesis and operations such as union, which is represented by plus, intersection, which is, or you can say the, not an intersection, union, concatenation, that is represented by the dot, and clean star. Okay, so this is the way through which the representation of expressions, representation of languages were done. Okay, you can consider this by an example, that suppose there is a alphabet over a symbol A, B, C. Okay, there is an alphabet over a symbol ABC. Then if you want to fetch, or if you want to print zero or more number of A's, what I said, zero, you have to pass the string having zero or more number of A's, more number of A's. Then what will be the regular expression for that? For this, the regular expression for this will be A star. Why so? Because star represents in the form of natural numbers or whole number. Star represents in the form of whole number. Okay, what does it mean? Whole number means the sequence of numbers which starts from 0 and up to n. Okay, then what is the natural number? If you talk about natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay, so similarly, if you say clean star, so clean star means the string which you pass will be start from 0. 0 means in that the 0 represents epsilon, or in the form of lambda. Okay, epsilon or in the form of lambda. But if you talk about the natural number, then it starts from 1, 2, 3, or if you talk in the terms of this a, okay. So if you want to pass the zero or more number of a's, then if you write this in the form of, let me delete this. So if you want to represent it in the form of a star, then how you are going to represent it? You will represent it in the form of lambda a, a, triple a, 4 times a, 5 times a, or any number of any count of a up to what you want to be. Okay, so this is how the this is the way how you represent the zero or more number of a's. Okay, now if you want to suppose, if you want to print 0 or more number of b's, 0 or more number of b's, then how you are going to represent it? It will be represented b star. The possible strings will be lambda b, 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 up to n number. Okay, now if you want to represent the string 0 or more number of c's, then how you represent it? C star. It means lambda. Okay, how is it get, how it get represent? It represents like lambda c, 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 up to any number of c's which you want to print. Okay, similarly if you want to print either a or b, zero number of either a or b, then how you print that? Let me write the statement: 0 or more any number of a or b. Okay, if I write the statement: 0 number of 0 or more any number of a or b, then how you are going to represent it? You will represent it in the form of, what will be the regular expression? Regular expression will be, see, either a or b and its star. So this is the regular expression for this. What does it mean? It means either you can print, either you can print lambda or a or b or a, ab, aba, or ba, bb, baa, bab, any combination with any number. Okay, so this is the expression of 0 or more number of 0 or more n number of a or b. Similarly, if you want to represent, or if you want to pass the, if you want to pass any number of a, b or c in the string, okay, including null, then what will be the expression? Then expression will be what I said. Let me write it again: 0 or more any number of a, b, c. Then how it will be going to represent? It will be going to represent as a plus b plus c star. Okay, is this clear? Then what will be the Possible strings from this, the possible strings generated from this will be lambda a, a, ab, ac, anything, or see, you have to write the lambda only once, not more than one, okay. Then b, bb, bc, ba, or any combination c, cc, cb, ca, or any combination. So this is how 0 or more number of a, b and c were represented. Okay, we will take one more example. Suppose you want to pass the you want the regular expression which contains at least one pair of a, b and any number of a or b before and after that a, b. Okay, I'll repeat the statement. You have to make the regular expression, create, I'll write the question, create regular expression which can generate at least one AB in the string, and before that, before this there may be any number of A or B, and after that any number of A or B. I think you got the point. Means you can develop a sequence like A, means there, or A B A, or B A B, like this. So what does it means? It means that either in between there should be one AB, or there should be in the beginning, before that there is null, or AB pair will be at last and after that there will be nothing. Okay, so you have to develop such kind of regular expression. So what will be the regular expression for this? So regular expression for this will be like a plus b whole star. This will represent that either for a, b, it starts with either with null, okay, and after that there is a combination of a, or there is a combination of ab. So we will write it in the form of ab. Then after that we want any combination of ab including null, so it will be like a plus b star. Okay, this is the regular expression in which there is a one ab is there. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose you want to create a regular expression which starts with ab, okay, which start with ab and end with any combination of a or b. So what will be the regular expression for this? It start with ab and end with any combination of a and b. So the regular expression for that will be it starts with ab and end with any combination of a plus b. So for that the regular expression will be like this. If you want to create a regular expression which end with ab and prefix to that will be any combination of a and b, so it will be like a plus b star ab. Okay, next example we can take. If you want to create a regular expression for the string which start with ab and end with ba and have any combination of a and b in between them of any length, then it will be like a plus b star. So from we can take one more example. Suppose you want to print or you want to pass a string which contains either a or b between 3a. Okay, that should be single a or b. Means suppose there are three a's are there and in between you want to pass either a or b here and here, then what will be the regular expression? So for this the regular expression will be like a plus b, a plus b, a. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that either it starts with a, and from a plus b, a or b, you can select one element. If you took a, then it will be a, then it will be a. From this you can select either a or b, then you can say a. Now if you want some other element, then it will be a, b, a, b, a. So this is the example that how you can develop, you can pass the string with any combination. Okay, so I think the concept of regular expression is now clear to you. Okay, there are too many examples with which we can understand. Okay, suppose you want to pass any string by the combination of a, b and c. Any string means randomly if you select, then what will be the regular expression for that? Okay, so for that, suppose you want any string at all with the combination of a, b and c, then regular expression will be like a plus b plus c whole star. Okay, now if you want to print any string which has exactly one a with the symbols a, b and c, suppose there are three symbols a, b and c, and you want to make a regular expression through which you can generate a string which contains only one a, then what will be the regular expression for this? One a will be anywhere, like b, b, c, 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 a, b, c, a. Okay, but it should contain only one a, not more than one a. So regular expression for this will be like b plus c asterisk a, b plus c asterisk. Okay, so these are the few examples which we have understood for the regular expression, and we will go in depth with some more concepts in next sessions. For now, thank you to all.